Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So here is the September challenge mood board as well as our color inspiration for September for the Not Too Shabby shop. And we are going to be using a cozy cup card fronts, and these are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 A2 size. And they are so beautiful, and let's take a look at some of these patterns here. And here are some enamel dots that are called pumpkin spice. Really pretty. I love all that glitter. Not Too Shabby has like amazing products and I just love them. So here we have 12 designs, 2 of each, which is so nice. I love that. And these card fronts make cards so easy and fun to whip up a bunch of cards in no time. And they are perfect for our September mood board challenge. You can easily fussy cut some of these coffee cups or leaves to add to your cards here. I think that's a great idea. I may do that. I love the borders on these card fronts. So unique. And I love these designs. I may even put some of these in frames and put them in my room. I just love coffee, and these are my favorite colors. I just love them. So I was so excited to see this, and I just hope you're excited as I am. And for the September mood board challenge, if you use Not Too Shabby products, you can enter up to 3 times for a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. If you don't use Not Too Shabby products, then you can enter 1 time. So still also a great chance to win a $15 gift certificate. And here are some bonus sentiments included. Wake up and smell coffee. Let me see. Life happens, coffee helps. I agree. And so these are so much fun. I love sentiments, and especially coffee sentiments. So I think it is, like it says, bonus, because these bonus sentiments are included in this pack here. Perfect. Everything you need to make a card is right there in that pack. And so I thought about using this circle die from the Snow Globe. It's the ultimate snow globe shaker die set, Shabby Snips, designed by LV, handcrafted, and it's at the Not Too Shabby shop. And I will list everything that I listed down below, but look how fun this circle would be if you cut it out with that circle. I was going to make a snow globe, but my bottom part of the globe wouldn't fit like I wanted it to. So I'm going to use my Tim Holtz decal trimmer because this card front gave me that idea. I liked that border so much that I really wanted to make another border or to make my border stand out a little bit more on my card here. And also another great border die is from the Easy Wonder Die Set 3 add-on. So I don't have that one yet, but it's on my wish list. And so I am using this one because I really loved that coffee shop in the background. And I am going to use this ribbon here. I loved that it matched so well. I was going to use orange, but I used orange on my last one of my last cards for the August mood board challenge, so I was trying to change it up a little bit. I do have some other twine there on my right, but I'm not going to use that after all. So I'm just using some liquid glue to glue my ribbon here, and I think I am going to tie a bow as well. And so that's another way to just make a bow and then just add it on, or you can just tie it however you can tie a bow on there would be really pretty. And I have my craft A2 card base there, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I was trying to make my bow on camera and I just couldn't do it. So I ended up starting over, and I was able to get that done. And so as you can see, I struggled a little bit And yeah, so here it is. And so I'm just going to glue it to there in the corner because I didn't want to take too much space away from this beautiful card front. And so that's why I am just placing it on top there. And I will also need a sentiment. So I'm going to cut this excess ribbon. I'm also going to add some foam to the back of this card front. I have some some foam in my stash from, I believe, Michael's, and it's a nice size thickness, and I just add glue and add it to the back and then add it to my card base. So really easy, and I don't have to take off any backing tape because I usually struggle with that sometimes. So this is much easier for me, and I should grab some more of it because it's great and very inexpensive. So I will add that. And so for this September mood board challenge, you can enter on the Not Too Shabby blog, and I will have that linked down below as well. I will also have my video linked, so in case you want to watch this video for inspiration, or if you have any questions, just let me know. But it's pretty easy. There's colors and photos on the mood board that will help you if you are subscribed to the box of the month, or junior box of the month, or the paper pads of the month, or stamp of the month. Then that helps a lot because a lot of those photos and colors come from all of those collections there. And so just applying I wanted to make sure my foam was on there really good before I add it. And then I thought about adding these sentiments and cutting it out with that circle die from the Ultimate Snow Globe Shaker, which fits perfectly. You can also cut out a coffee cup from one of these card fronts. But then it was going to cover my coffee shop or something. So, and then these, I just have these sentiments printed out from a digital stamp from the Not Too Shabby shop, probably an ice cream one. And then I grabbed out the stamp set, the Winter Wishes stamp set that goes with the Ultimate Snow Globe Shaker, and I'm going to use Cozy Days because it looks like a cozy fall day, and you're sitting there by the coffee shop, maybe having a coffee with a friend or your other half or someone, but you're having a coffee, having a great time, and it's a nice fall cozy day. So I like that, and I can't wait for fall cooler days. So I'm going to stamp and heat emboss this sentiment. It's going to be with white embossing powder on black cardstock. And I used Versamark ink and my white embossing powder here, and then I will heat that up and cut it out with the die from the Ultimate Snow Globe Shaker die set. And then I'm going to use the other part of the die to cut my sentiment out like a cleaner look, and I like that. So really nice. And then I'm going to add some foam squares to the back of that sentiment, and I'm trying to see where I would like that sentiment, and I'm going to put it there at the bottom with my some foam squares here I have on my desk. And I like these ones because they have a black, like when you peel the tape off, they're black. So I think they're less noticeable. And I have to replenish my stash of those as well. So I'm just putting 3 of those, I believe, or 2.5. And then I will apply that to my card, and then I will add my card front to my craft A2 card base with my liquid glue here. And so pretty easy. I love how this card came out. No coloring for this card, which was super easy. You don't even have to cut anything, but I did. So it was very, very easy. The last thing I'm going to do is add some enamel dots from Not Too Shabby, which are those pumpkin spice enamel dots, and in the background it has like circles, so I'm going to add them there because I feel like they just blend in really nicely into that background. So I'm going to be adding 3 colors of enamel dots, and that finishes this card. So I hope you enter the September mood board challenge. I love to comment on your cards or video if I can get to it. There's some that I can't comment on, but I will try my best, and good luck to you, and have fun this month entering this challenge. It's so much fun. I can't wait to see your fall card. And I'm just going to show a close-up after I apply this last enamel dot, and thank you for joining me today. I had fun making this card with you, and I will have another card during the month as well. So here is a close-up.
Every month a brand new board, pretty colors, themes galore. Get inspired, make a card, creativity's your reward. No, link it up, don't be shy, one will win, give it a try. 15 team to spend with glee, crafty goodies, yay, so free. Join the fun, come and see on the Not Too Shabby blog with me.